Yes, hello guys. Welcome for another Alpha 8 class. I'm really thankful and appreciating those who waited yesterday for the class to be posted. We are having power shortage. I could not post that on time. I really appreciate those who waited. Today, welcome for today's class. We are going to have a simple discussion on Microsoft Office. Actually, Microsoft Office, as we all know, is a company. Microsoft is a company owned by the Westerns, as we can call them. It is a family of client softwares, server software, and services developed by Microsoft. Actually, if you say Microsoft Office, it entails several softwares. It entails several softwares. If I say software is just a collection of codes compiled together by programmers to enable computer perform different tasks. That is a software. Now, inside the Microsoft Office, we have several types of softwares. We have a lot of softwares. One of them being a PowerPoint, which we will check into today. But mostly, guys, I don't use PowerPoints most of the time because it has got a lot of stuff to check onto. It has got a lot of complications, a lot of tools to use. I normally use a different stuff, a different software, which I'm going to show you today. It is very simple for beginners. It is very, very, very simplified. But before we go to that one, we will check on presentation today, which we are going to use the Microsoft PowerPoint. Inside the Microsoft Office, we have Microsoft Word, which you all know. I hope you've interacted with such a software. We have Microsoft Excel, we have a Microsoft PowerPoint, we have Microsoft Access, we have Microsoft Publisher. Guys, as I said yesterday, we are not going to dwell in Microsoft Word. We are not going to dwell in Microsoft Excel. Though Microsoft Excel is very important and is being used in lots of companies, especially when it comes to calculations. It's very important, and actually to get familiar with such software, that is Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word, please guys, have your computer and play with these softwares. Play with them, do all sorts of nonsense, make calculation, reverse them. We have several sources in the YouTube that will guide you on performing calculations in Excel. Play with them. We have Microsoft PowerPoint. We are going to do something on it today. We have Microsoft Access, we have Microsoft Publisher. All these are softwares that are entailed in Microsoft Office, run by one company. Imagine by the time you are loading the stuffs, by the time you are downloading this software, the company is just gaining money. Let us check on Microsoft PowerPoint. What is Microsoft PowerPoint? It's a software. It's an application that is particularly used to present data and information by using text and images. Guys, it's not just text and images. We can also use animations. We have animations in PowerPoint. We can use videos. We have videos that we can insert in the PowerPoint. We have animated videos in the PowerPoint. We can use all those to present a document. We also have another software that we are also going to check into, which I told you is very simplified. That is Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentation, posters, documents, and all other visual content. Imagine all this is included just in one software. When you will make it to join for our graphic classes, the graphic design classes, actually, there are certain stuff that we will make using Canva. There are certain posters, maybe certain video cards. We will use them. We will use Canva to produce such video cards and such posters. So please, when we will finish this class, guys, don't stop there. We have a lot of courses. That as Alpha Hid, we are for at a cheaper cost. Actually, when it comes to graphic designing, when it comes to web development, when it comes to posters which are being under graphic design, we are just offering you free of charge. What you will pay for is just certificate. How cheap is that? Very cheap. If you don't want to learn, up to you. Now that is up to that. Now we can check on practicals, whereby we are going to have a look at our PowerPoint. We are going to start with our PowerPoint. Guys, this is PowerPoint. I'm sure that you are familiar with this stuff. This is PowerPoint actually, and I'm sure you've interacted with this. I hope you can see it on your screen. I hope you can see PowerPoint on your screen. Let me confirm. Let me confirm if you can see. Yeah, I hope you can see it on your screen. Guys, this is PowerPoint. As I told you, it has got a lot of tools, as you can see. When you check on the toolbars, we have a lot. We have a home bar, whereby we are having a lot of tools inside there. You can see a lot of tools which are inside here, which are very confusing. Actually, these things are very confusing. Not only you, sometimes they even confuse me. And we also have another bar whereby we are having a different stuffs again. You can see on your screen as well. We have pictures, we have photos, we have smart inserts, we have a lot of tools. Guys, when you start to learn this software, you cannot learn this within a day or within 6 days. To learn these softwares, you will learn them by interacting with your machine all the times. When you have your machine there, don't stay idle. And yet there is something you don't know, play with it. Play with everything on the toolbar. Play with all sorts of just make anything for the sake of making. By doing that, we'll get familiar. We'll be getting familiar with these tools, and it will not be a hard task for you to use such softwares. Now, guys, if you want to open your PowerPoint, you will come to the ribbon, your start bar. You will just type the PowerPoint. You can write PowerPoint and click enter. It will definitely open. When it opens, guys, you will see slide. This is a slide, and this slide is just a portrait of the bigger slide here. This slide that you can see here is a portrait of this bigger slide. Whatever you do on this slide will be on another, or the portrait of this slide. Now let's make something, just a simple presentation. Let's say welcome to computer class. Let's say that is the topic we want to make the slide about. We want to make the presentation about. Let's say our topic is let's say that's the heading. Actually, let's say that the heading of our class, and let's say the topic maybe. As you can see, I've put topic on a different box. As you can see, we have two here. We have two boxes here. If you need one slide to have more than 2 boxes, guys, if you need one slide to have more than 2 boxes, you will come to home. After coming to home, you can see here we have new slide. Under new slide, if you click, it will come another slide. If you come to down a part, you click the smaller arrow that you can see. There is a smaller arrow here where this my arrow is. You can have several portions of the boxes. As you can see, we have several portions of boxes here. Now let's say in another the second slide that we have created, we need at least 4 or to 5 boxes. You can see the other slide is having different boxes. So here you can insert all stuff that you need, the picture, the whatever, the everything that you need to insert, guys. Back to our first slide. We have introduced the heading of our class. Let's say the topic of the class, we are going to talk about computers. 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 Oh my God. Okay, we are going to talk about computers. We have created the topic, but now you see this our stuff is very boring. Look where the topic is. Look where the computers is located at. Look at where the heading is. To correct this, guys, you will come to design. When you click on design, you will see several designs of your slide. You can choose any slide that you want, and it will help you arranging the topics. Now see here. Let us say we need this one. Come on, you can see it has been arranged perfectly. Maybe I don't like that one. Maybe I don't like that one. We have several of them. We have several of them here. You just choose the way you want. We have, in fact, more are here. If you click on this small arrow facing down one, you will get more designs. You can now choose the way you want. If you hover the cursor on top, you will just see it changes from one to another. So you'll just choose the one that you like. Let's say me, I like this one. No, don't that one. No. Which one do we choose, guys? I like this one. I like that one. When I click there, I will have it. Welcome to computer class, topic computers. Just simple. It's not complicated, just simple. After doing that, guys, you can go to the next slide just by clicking on the next slide. As you can see there, the second slide. I don't want my slide to have more than two. I want my slide to only have the two sections. When it comes to the second slide, I can do all sorts of stuff. I can insert pictures. Actually, I can insert, maybe since our class was computer, we will talk about CPU. Let's say the CPU. You just click on that section and say the maybe system unit. We want to talk about the system unit on the second slide. I have typed there the system unit. Guys, if you want to change this topic subtopic, you just highlight the stuff. Or you can come home first and get the tools from home. Maybe after highlighting, you'll say I want it to be bold. Okay, you can see it's in. I want the italic to change. You can see I want it underlined. I want it to have a different colors. You can see the different colors are here. You can use different colors the way you like, just playing with these ones. Maybe you want maybe to change the size of the text. Maybe you want to, all those stuffs, you will find them in home. Guys, when we are through with this class, go and take your laptop if you have a laptop. If you don't have a laptop, actually you can install the Microsoft Office in your phone. Actually, if your phone is good enough, you can install it there and start playing with it. These are just things you play with. It's not a must that somebody must come and teach you. Somebody must come and teach you all these stuff that are in the toolbar. Okay, let's say we want to talk about the system unit. Let us insert the picture. Guys, when making a presentation, always be precise. Always try and be very, very precise. Presentation, that the PowerPoint does not need a lot of typing on the slide. It is power. If you type a lot of stuff, it will even lose the power. It is something that should make you have that power to understand stuff very simpler, in a very simple way. So if you just include your typing, the whole slide you are typing, that's not a PowerPoint. Go and use Word. That is not for the PowerPoint. So in PowerPoint, everything is simpler. Mostly images, videos. You use such stuff to convey information to the readers. So let's say that's our system unit. Let's say we want to insert a picture of our CU, or maybe any picture that we will find in our machine. Just click on insert. After clicking on insert, come to pictures. Yeah, as you can see, it will direct you to the PC where you will do your selection. Let's say I want another picture. Let us use which picture can we use? Let us use central unit. Yes, we have it here. Yeah, There you are. You have already inserted your picture. You can play with it, enlarge it. You can take it left, right. You can take it all sides that you want. But now, if I wanted to include, information about the system unit or the CU as we know it now, I will have go for a tab that is having at least 3 sections. You see, this one was having to this is the first one and this is the second one. Maybe I need another typing here. I will have gone under the here, and I will have selected, maybe I needed it to have 20, maybe I needed it to have 3 sections. I will have gone to that section and inserted first. Then after inserting mine, I will type my text, but I needed this one. So now we have our system unit. Maybe we have our unit, we need it to appear in a different way when it's appearing, when we read to the slide. We will go to animation. Guys, under animation, you check the way you want it to appear. You can see it changes as we hover our cursor on top. You can see it changing. So you'll choose the slide, the animation that you want, and select that one. After selecting that one, when you'll be presenting your work, the slides will be playing the way you selected your animation themes. You can see we have different themes, and more and more and more. They're there. If you click on the arrow here, guys, if you click on that arrow, you will have more. You can see them. All of them. So play with these. Play with these ones. Okay. Now back to our slide. After doing all this job, after making several slides the way we need. If you want to add more slides, guys, you can add by going here. These 2 ways, as I showed you. Add by coming here, add blanks. You can add a blank page, blank slide, or you can just click on the slide. You can just left click on the slide here, and you'll see new slide. If you click on that, it is new. Backspace, you'll be deleting them. So after making your stuffs, after making your presentation, you will come to the upper ribbon here. You can see the ribbon and save or save as. If you have not saved it, you can save as, or you can save it just like that. You can choose the mode, the way you want to save it. But now let us save ours because we've not saved it inside. Now, and click save. It's in the documents. It will be taken to our document. We can access it from there. Guys, there are a lot to learn when it comes to PowerPoint. And when we start to play with all these stuffs on the toolbar, there are a lot of stuff. So if there is anything, I'm always available on WhatsApp. If there is any question you want to ask concerning the PowerPoint, please just text me and I will reply you with a video showing you how it's being done. Good, we are done with our PowerPoint. Guys, let us migrate to the big part now, that is Canva. Canva has made all these things simpler and simpler and simpler. You don't have to check on the toolbar and know every tool where the tool is. Guys, Canva is another miracle. I hope you can see Canva on the screen. Let me confirm. Let me confirm if you can see Canva. Yes, I hope you can now see Canva. This is Canva, guys. To reach this site, it's either you can download their software, of which they have their software. Let me check if my software is here. Let me check my software. Guys, let me check my software on my desktop. My desktop, Canva. It's not bringing. My machine is slow somehow because it's running a lot of programs in the background. But I have the software on Canva. No, not that. Yeah, you can see the software is here, guys. This is the software. It is installed in my machine. If I want to use it, I can use it. Or maybe if I don't have a space to install my Canva, I can just come direct to Chrome and type there Canva. You can come to Chrome and type Canva. Oh, yeah, here. I can come to Chrome, and when I type Canva, it will take me direct to the website Canva. It will take me direct to Canva website. You can see there, guys. It is under images. Yeah. You click on the first selection. If you click on this one, it will take you to the website, but now we have ours here. I'm using the software. If you enter in the website, it will show you varieties of stuffs maybe that you want to use, but now let us use the presentation. We'll have a lot. We'll show you presentation, word, graphic, all that stuff will be in Canva, all included in one software. Now this is our slide. Canva is already producing for you a slide. If you want to add the slide, you can see down there it's written add slide, add page, not slide, add page. If you click on the add page, it will take to another page. Add page takes to another page. Now let's say we want the heading. Just simple, guys. Just click on the heading. After clicking on the heading, there it is. Add your heading. Let's say computer classes. Computer class. Where's computer class? Guys, I want to change my font colors. I'll come to the font colors there and maybe take it is red, it is blue. Take any color that I can pick. White, pink, purple, all those you can use. All those you can use. I need it to come to the top. I mean on top. You take it to the everywhere that you might want it to be. I want to insert pictures. Guys, this is another miracle. If you come to photos, Canva will download for you several photos that you might need to use. It has got several photos. But now, guys, I need to insert my photo. I don't want your photo. I'll come to upload. When you click on upload, it will also bring you selection of photos that are in your machine. It will bring you photos that are on your machine. From here, you just click on the photo. Let's say I want this motherboard. Click on the motherboard. Boom. There it is on the screen. Play with it the way you want. Add text. Guys, I want to add text. Remember when you wanted to add text in the Microsoft? It was a process. In the Microsoft PowerPoint, it was a process. Going to the toolbar, coming back, and all that. If you want to add a text on Canva, guys, very simple. Come to text. After text, subheading. There it is. Boom. Type your stuff. Motherboard. Yes, there it is. Change the color. I want it to be red. Very simple. So this is how technology has made this more simpler. More simpler. Now let us add another slide. In the next slide, maybe we want to talk about something else to do with the, maybe let's put the heading. Maybe I want to talk about mouse now. Let's talk about my mouse. Change the color. You can change, how to change the color now. Move it to the side that you want it to be, where you want it, of course. And also let's check if you have a mouse. Upload. Under the uploads, we have a mouse. Yes, click on the mouse. It is there. Boom. You have it. Mouse. You can play with the size the way you want. Add page. You just add like that until you are done with your work. That's how simple it is, guys. Now, when after doing all the presentation, all the work that you want to have, you will come to download. Guys, you can see the upper part, there is a logo for downloading. When you click on download, it will show you download this one, or as a PDF. We have a lot of suggestions. Download as a PDF, print as a picture, the way you want to download it. Then if you click on download, it will take it directly. You can see down there it's downloading. It will take you directly to your machine and choose the way you want to save it. And very simple. Use a Lego. A Lego is also good when it comes to building such stuff. You can also use it. You can also use several other stuffs, but believe me, Canva is very simple for beginners in making such software, in making such presentations or such stuffs. And also, if you feel that Canva might not be good for you, you can choose PowerPoint. Guys, that one is for videos. If you click here, you will be uploading video that you need there. If you click on audio, guys, presentation, if you want to include your audio or on your presentation, you can also upload audio, and it will play the audio. Deleting the pages, guys, deleting the pages is here. You can delete the pages the way you want. If you click on this one, it will delete the pages. Okay, guys, thank you for this class. And please remember to submit your assignments. There is no way we can facilitate your certificates without submitting your assignment. Please concentrate on submitting your assignments. Thank you for the class. Have a nice day, and let us meet tomorrow. Goodbye.